What's up, guys? It's Andrea with Sucs For You, and this is a next day update on the Dorstenia bahiensis video I made yesterday. I put a mesh bag over the flower because it was about to shoot out its seeds, at least over the next few days, I was assuming, but it already happened, so we bagged this baby just in time. I can see 3 little seeds down in here already, and I think I'm going to go ahead and pop them out and pot them up. Oh, it's actually 4. Yay! So I have some sterilized soil here, and I prepped this pot for a different batch of seeds a few days ago and didn't use it, but I'm going to use it now. And I'm just going to I'm doing it over this bin in case anything falls. And then we're just going to sprinkle the seeds, make sure they all get in. I really love this plant, and I've been waiting for more seeds for a while now. Okay. Actually, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. So I'll just spread them out a little bit better. There's one right here. I'm going to add a little more organic soil to this. Just a little bit. Spread it out. And then to water, I'm gonna just put it in a little reservoir with some water and let it wick up a lot of moisture. So she'll be going back in her south-facing windowsill, and then I think I'm gonna germinate these outside because it's nice and warm and humid. It might be a little too chilly inside. It's like 70 something, mid 70s inside. So yeah, we will. Let's see. I think I'm going to use maybe use a baggie method, and then just keep it up here on my little work table and out of direct sun. So now all we have to do is stay tuned for sprouts. Thanks for watching.